Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get audio through the AMEK Rembrandt console here into Pro Tools and back out through your monitors. The first thing you're going to do is make sure you know what channel your input is coming through. I've plugged this SM57 into input 1 from our live room. We'll just throw my iPad in front of the mic so that we have some sound coming through. Once you're back in the studio, you're going to want to grab a couple patch cables. You're going to need about 1 or 2 of these, depending on how complicated you want to get, if you want to go through any outboard gear, things like that. So this is what our patch bay looks like on the Rembrandt. We've got 12 inputs and outputs. We know our signal is coming through channel 1, so we're going to take it out of channel 1 right here. At this point, you can take the other end of your patch and plug it into any channel's mic preamp input. Remember, the first thing you need to do when you're recording audio is to get everything to line level. Now that we've got the signal coming up into channel 2, let's bring the channel fader up to 0 decibels, and we might need to crank the channel gain a little bit since the input is so quiet. We'll also come up here to the busing controls and send the signal to input 3, which is where we'll make Pro Tools pick up the audio. Now our signal flow is coming through channel 2, so we need to get that into Pro Tools. Now we bust it to channel 3, so let's open up the program. We'll create a basic Pro Tools session and create a mono audio track. Make sure the input is coming through what you want. In this case, we've selected 3 on the busing system, so mono input 3 will give us exactly what we want. Now if we hit monitor, we'll be able to see that we've got levels coming through, so let's get them back out through our speakers. We'll change our input to 4, meaning our signal is coming through on the 4th channel on the monitor side of the board. Now there's just a couple quick things you need to do to get sound coming out of the monitors. We're going to bring channel 4 up to 0 decibels. We'll bring our master fader up, unmute the speakers, and slowly bring up your gain until you can hear the sound coming through. Once you've been able to do all this, get sound coming through your board, through the program, and out through your monitors, you can start recording anything you want. You can add compression, any outboard gear that you want to add, but that is all going to have to wait for another day.